Aloha, it's Jason from the Bead Gallery, and we're talking tool time with me. These are our basic tools. These are made out of stainless steel, and these are great for beginners. First tool that we have is our chain nose pliers, flat on the inside, tapered at the tip. Second tool is our round nose plier, round at the base, tapered at the tip. Flat nose pliers, plier number 3, flat at the base, flat at the tip. Basic cutters. These cut up to 22 gauge wire, which are our basics, all right? If you guys have any questions, follow us on Facebook, Instagram, and visit us at thebeadgallery.com. Thanks for watching. Aloha. Hey everybody, it's Jason from the Bead Gallery, and we're talking about tools. Basic tools, stainless steel. I don't want to do that one.